Hello everyone. Welcome to your first step into data analysis. Data is everywhere and the ability to manage, retrieve, and analyze it is a critical skill in today's world. Whether you're a beginner exploring databases for the first time or a professional looking to refine your database skills, this course will break down the complex concepts of databases, give you hands-on experience in designing databases, and teach you how to write code using a programming language called SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, for retrieving data from databases. The course will incorporate the use of AI by providing well-crafted AI prompts that you can adapt and apply to deepen your understanding, boost creativity, and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in. I'm excited. Have you ever searched for an old photo, a phone number, or even a school report, but just couldn't find it? That's exactly what happens when data isn't managed properly. First, you build a database for a business which stores data accurately, keeps the data well organized, and protects it. This allows the business to access information quickly, reduce errors, maintain consistency across systems, and protect sensitive information from loss, unauthorized access, or cyber threats. Secondly, as things change in the business, it's important to regularly update the data to ensure it remains accurate, useful, and relevant. Then, after several months of operation, you retrieve data from your database to answer important business questions or to fulfill requests from non-technical stakeholders. This data might include sales figures to track revenue trends, customer purchase data to understand buying behavior, inventory summaries to monitor stock levels, or employee performance reports to support HR decisions. By accessing and analyzing this data, the business can make informed decisions, identify opportunities, and address challenges effectively. Now, here's our plan for this course. We'll begin by exploring the fundamentals of data, what data is, and how data can be classified into different formats. You'll discover how to differentiate between data types and understand why organizing and storing data in databases is essential. Next, you'll learn how to design a database and even create a physical database on your computer. From there, we'll move on to practical operations like storing, modifying, and deleting data. Finally, you'll master techniques to retrieve and summarize the specific data you need from existing databases. Throughout the course, we'll walk through straightforward examples to illustrate each concept, incorporating reflective pauses that empower you to connect the material to your own interests through recommended AI prompts. Additionally, dedicated Q&A sessions will help deepen your understanding along the way. Let's talk tools. In this course, you'll primarily work with my SQL Workbench, a comprehensive platform for designing and managing databases. We will use the online version to avoid any delays related to software installation. This will allow us to get started quickly with hands-on practice in creating database elements and storing data within them. Additionally, we will use an online SQL practice platform that features a pre-existing database with several records on patient admissions in a hospital. This website will provide valuable hands-on experience in writing SQL commands to retrieve and explore data from a real-world database. To accelerate your learning and creativity, well-crafted AI prompts will be suggested after every topic, which you can copy and paste in any available generative AI platform, such as ChatGPT, to get insights about the topics in your area of interest. Each lecture will include live demonstrations by the instructor, showcasing how to solve the exercises using the concepts learned and AI tools. These demonstrations are designed to equip you with practical problem-solving skills and prepare you to tackle real-world challenges. For those who wish to challenge themselves with installing the MySQL Workbench application in their computers, please visit our software installation section of this course. The software installation section provides detailed guidance on installing MySQL Workbench and MySQL Server in your computer. When you run SQL commands through the MySQL Workbench application, you're communicating directly with the MySQL Server, which processes your commands and returns the results. Although the online websites we will be using are very convenient, Installing the applications locally is highly recommended for handling advanced queries and seamlessly connecting with data sources. In the next lecture, we're diving into what data is. Think of it as the raw stuff we work with, such as numbers, words, or anything we can collect. Then we'll explore the different types of data. Are they numbers like sales totals? Words like customer names? We'll sort that out. Plus, we'll look at how to store data in a computer. Ever wonder how all that info fits into an Excel sheet or a database? We'll show you the tricks, like organizing it so it's easy to find and use later. This is your foundation for everything else, so don't miss it.